Today I'm going to view the mileage on my 2023 Kia Sportage. You can see there's 24,000 miles on the car now. Its average mileage is 28.6 for the lifetime of the car, which I think is great for a little SUV. But I'm not going to do, like most people I see, they do it on the highway. I'm going to do this for my normal drive to work in the morning. What is the mileage? I'm leaving here from a gas station I just stopped at. Didn't get any gas. I'm going to switch over to what I'm getting actually right now. So this will be an average of the highway, all the roads I take on my way to work. On cruise control, and normally on the way to work I drive 70, 71, just like the speed limit says. Turn it on so the car will steer itself and just cruise. This is about a 10-mile run on the highway, and then I'll have about another 10-mile run, which is basically back roads. And this is being done, the program for the driving is under normal mode. There's also sport mode, economy mode. I believe I'll be doing one of each. And this is on my way to work. I'll probably do it also on the way home. Seven miles into the ride. Almost 29. Okay, at 9 miles, we're at 30, over 30 now. I'll be getting off here soon. Okay, I've got a truck in front of me and I'm getting off. As you can see at 10, almost 11 miles, 31.5 miles per gallon. And that's basically traveling here. We were traveling 72 miles an hour. Got deer in the road. Now we're off the highway here. It's 11 miles, 32 miles per gallon. So now the speed's gonna change. This is a farm road now, basically, back roads. We'll bring it in at, okay, 55 miles an hour. 12 miles into the ride, 31.5 still. like I said, this is my average for driving to work, not an average on the highway. Coming up to my first stop sign. 13.5 miles into my drive. Almost 32. Put it back in the cruise control, let it take over, let the car steer for itself. On this stretch of road is usually when the mileage goes up. 14 miles, 31.2. As you can see, the motor RPM is down to 1,400 RPM at 55 miles an hour. And the mileage usually climbs pretty quick. There we go, coming up on 16 miles, 32.6 miles per gallon. Well, 32.9. Coming up on 17 miles, 33.1. And now the speed limit will be dropping to 45. And you can see 33.6 miles per gallon. Which for a little SUV, I think this is excellent mileage. And this is my average to work, not just a jaunt down the highway. I think actually at the 55 miles per gallon, the average mileage is much higher than at 70. Miles into the ride, 33.8. There's been times when I pull into work and I'll be at 36 miles per gallon. Okay, 19 miles, 34.1. Pulling into work now, 20 miles, 34.5. So the mileage ended up at 34.5 today. That's a 20-mile trip. Since refueling 254 miles, I've averaged 29.6. And that's mainly to work and back. There's the lifetime, 24,000 miles, 28.6. And that just seems to keep going up. Okay, I just left work. We're going to do the mileage for the ride home and see what we get for an average. Okay, the 15-mile mark here, 32.6. Getting off the highway, 34.8. 35. This is where we started this morning. There's the gas station that we left. got off. We were at 35. Okay, there we have it. The round trip to work was average of 34.4 miles per gallon. That's 10 miles of highway and about 10 miles of back roads as I come into town. I'm also going to do a few more videos with the snow mode it has. It has smart mode and let's see, sport mode. That was the normal mode that we just did now. So we'll see what happens with these next videos and the change of mileage, how it affects it. Just look for the videos or subscribe and they'll automatically pull up.